Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is lesson number 5, precious water. So this is revision. Okay, children. So lesson number 5, precious water. So first main hard words. First main hard words. First one, drinking. DRINKING, drinking. Second one, plants. PLANTS, plants. Third one, animals. ANIMALS, animals. Fourth one, sources. SOURCES, sources. Fifth one, rivers. RIVERS, rivers. Sixth one, utensils. UTENSILS, utensils. Seventh one, tumblers. TUMBLERS, tumblers. Eighth one, container. CONTAINER, container. Ninth one, handle. HANDLE, handle. Tenth one, covered. COVERED, covered. 11th one, boiled. BOILED, boiled. 12th one, cooled. COOLED, cooled. 13th one, protect. PROTECT, protect. 14th one, REARED, reared. Okay, children. So these are the hard words. Now, second main, fill in the blanks. First one, water is necessary for the growth of dash. So in the dash you must write plants. PLANTS, plants. Second one, Raju is bringing dash from the well. So in the dash you must write water. WATER, water. Next, third one, we must drink dash and boiled water. So in the dash you must write clean. CLEAN, clean. Fourth one, drinking and dash cooled water is better. So in the dash you must write boiled. BOILED, boiled. Fifth one, water is dash. So in the dash you must write precious. PRECIOUS, precious. Next, sixth one, we must not waste the dash. So in the dash you must write water. WATER, water. Okay, children. So once again I am going to read and fill in the blanks. First one, water is necessary for the growth of plants. Second one, Raju is bringing water from the well. Third one, we must drink clean and boiled water. Fourth one, drinking boiled and cooled water is better. Fifth one, water is precious. Sixth one, we must not waste the water. Okay, children. Now, third main, right or wrong. Drinking water should be dirty. So, that is wrong. You put in the bracket wrong. Second one, we must not dip hands into the container which contains drinking water. Yes, that is true. So you put in the bracket right. Third one, plants do not need water. So plants also need water, no children? So that is wrong. You put in the bracket wrong. Fourth one, fish lives in water. So fish will be living in the water, no children? So that is right. Correct. So you put right mark. Fifth one, water is not useful for us. So in the bracket you put wrong. Okay, next, fourth main, unscramble the words. So here the letters are jumbled. You must write correctly the letters and make a word. First one, RETWA. So the correct spelling is WATER and word is water. Second one, SIUENTLS. So the correct spelling is UTENSILS, utensils. Third one, NTOCNIARE. So the correct spelling is CONTAINER, container. Fourth one, LEDNAH. So the correct spelling is HANDLE, handle. Fifth one, Cover. So the correct spelling is Covered. Covered. Next, sixth one. Oocdel. So the correct spelling is Cooled. Cooled. Next, seventh one. Nimasla. So the correct spelling is Animals. Animals. Next, eighth one. Ngitsaw. So the correct spelling is Wasting. Wasting. Okay, children. So first one water, second one utensils, third one container, fourth one handle, fifth one covered, sixth one cooled, seventh one animals, eighth one wasting. Okay, children. Now fifth main, answer the following. Name some uses of water. Answer. Drinking, drinking. Bathing, bathing. Washing, washing. Cooking, cooking. For plants, plants. And animals, animals. So the uses of water are drinking, bathing, washing, cooking for plants and animals. Second one, how can we save water? Answer. We can save water by using a bucket, drum, etc. WVCAN can, SAV save, WATE or water, BY by, USING using, A BUCKET bucket, DRUM drum, etc. etc. Next, we can save water by using a bucket, drum, etc. Third one, how can we clean water? Answer. We can clean water by boiling and filtering. WVCAN can, CLEAN clean, WATE or water, BY by, BOILING boiling, and FILTER filtering. We can clean water by boiling and filtering. Next, fourth one. Which is the main source of water? Answer. Rain is the main source of water. RAIN rain, IS is, TH the, MAIN main, SOURCE is source, OF of, WATER water. Rain is the main source of water. Next, fifth one. Name the four sources of water. Answer. Tap, borewell, well and pump. TAP tap, BOREWELL. Borewell, WELL well, HIND PUMP. And pump. Tap, borewell, well and pump. Next, sixth one. Where do we get water from? Answer. We get water from wells, taps and rivers. WVG ticket, WATER water, FROM from, WELLS wells, TAPS taps, and RIVERS rivers. We get water from wells, taps and rivers. Now seventh one. Which type of water do you give for animals to drink? Answer. We must give clean water. WVMUST must, GIVE give, CLEAN clean, WATER water. We must give clean water. Next, eighth one. Do you water the plants in your house? What happens if you do not water them? Answer. Yes, we water the plants. WYESS, WAV, WATER water, TH the, plants, plants, in our house, house, if, wev, do, not, not, water, water, the, plants, it, will, dry, dry. Okay children. Yes, we water the plants in our house. If we do not water the plants, it will dry. Okay children. So this is the revision of lesson number 5, that is precious water. Okay children. Any doubt children? I think you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying that if you have not completed your classwork, please see this video and complete your classwork. If you have already completed this classwork, please practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay children? Any doubt children? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay children? Thank you children.